Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice magnetic holder for your phone that you can easily put in your car. This compacts down really nicely and it has a nice locking mechanism on here. The texture on this is really nice and it allows for a nice ergonomic grip. This also opens up and it also can rotate 360 degrees. It can go on there any which way you want to have it, so it's very convenient. They do provide you with this little piece off the back, but it's not sticky. It's just meant to be suctioned on and then locked into place, which will then curve that around, as you can kind of see there. So before I stick it on there, this is the magnetic part of this. It's got a rubberized edge here, so it's not going to scratch your phone. And I mean, it locks it on there. This provides a lot of grip on there, so it's not going to go anywhere once you get it on there. Sticking this on here like this in my car here and just twisting this, real easy to do. Now that thing is on there again, 360 grip, rotates around, really easy to use. So now if you're driving around your car and you're going to want to have some navigation or something up here, you know, it easily puts that on there, can tilt it or claps it out of the way whenever you're not using it. So really nice features, and when you're done you can unlock it. It's got a little tab, pulls it right off, and you can take it with you anywhere you want to go.